How to download songs from Spotify Premium. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. Now first of course we go ahead and open Spotify. Once the app loads up, look for the song that you want to download. Let's say I want to download a song from this playlist, so I go ahead and tap on it to open it. To download the first song, tap on the three dots next to it right here. And you'll notice that there is no download button, but don't worry about that, just follow up with me. Now from here tap on add to playlist right here. You can add it to an old playlist or go ahead and create one by tapping on new playlist. Give your playlist a name and then tap on create. From there tap on your library in the bottom right corner right here. You will find the playlist right here, tap on it. And once you open the playlist that you have just created, you'll find the song right there. To download the song, just tap on this download button right next to enhance. So once you tap on it, make sure you are connected to the internet and the song will be downloaded and you can play it offline. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.